Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Is anti-spin rubber a magic rubber in table tennis? Is it easy to use anti-spin rubber in table tennis? Anti-spin table tennis rubber, what it is and how it works. Hello, how are you today? Are you in good shape? I'm EmRatThich. Many players complain about the anti-spin rubbers. They say that this is junk rubber. Use it and win the match easily. Well, but is using anti-spin rubber easy? No, I have tried it. Very difficult. Just to clarify, using pips or anti-spin rubbers in table tennis is not considered cheating, nor does it imply that the player using them has less skill or is trying to ruin the game. It's simply another technique that can be used to gain an advantage on the court. If you find it difficult to play against someone who uses pips or anti-spin rubbers, it may be because you need to improve your own skills rather than seeing it as an unfair advantage for your opponent. People often claim that using pips or anti-spin rubbers in table tennis doesn't require skill. However, this assertion is only partially true. While it may be true for low and mid-level players who may see it as a gimmick, at a high level of play, using these rubbers requires a great deal of skill. This is because these rubbers have significant limitations that you and your opponent must learn to navigate during play. At a high level, you need to rotate your rubbers. Otherwise, the opponent will attack strongly. To play against the anti-spin, you need to give flat dead balls to his opponent's backhand, which are just good rules of thumb against anti-spin players. If you're a table tennis player, you may have heard of anti-spin table tennis rubber. But what is it and how does it work? Anti-spin table tennis rubber is a specialized type of rubber that is designed to decrease the amount of spin on a ball. Unlike traditional rubbers, which are designed to enhance the spin on a ball, anti-spin rubber has a smooth surface with very little grip. It's not a special rubber, but rather an anti-spin rubber similar to long pimples. However, the player knows how to use it effectively. In fact, there are several players in our club who use this rubber with similar results, and they can be quite challenging to beat. This means that when you hit a ball with an anti-spin rubber, it will not spin as much as it would with a traditional rubber. So why would you want to use anti-spin rubber?
Gut. Super. Super.
There are a few reasons. First, if you're playing against an opponent who is using a lot of spin, anti-spin rubber can help neutralize that spin and make it easier for you to return the ball. Additionally, anti-spin rubber can be effective against players who rely on deception and trick shots, as it can make it more difficult for them to generate spin on the ball. Is it easy to use anti-spin table tennis rubber? The answer to this question depends on your skill level and playing style. If you are a beginner or intermediate player, using anti-spin rubber can be challenging, as it requires a different technique and timing than traditional rubbers. However, If you're an advanced player who's comfortable with different types of rubbers and techniques, anti-spin rubber can be a valuable tool in your arsenal. One player who has had success using anti-spin rubber is Mladenovic Luka. He is a 4-time Luxembourgish champion, twice in singles, once in doubles, and mixed doubles. Mladenovic Luka is a Luxembourgish table tennis player who has been using anti-spin rubber for several years. Anti-spin table tennis rubber is a specialized type of rubber that can be effective in certain situations. While it may not be suitable for all players, it can be a valuable tool for those who are comfortable with its unique characteristics.
Super, super, super. 18-9. Nein, Matchball, Luka bleibt.
Aber nochmal einen eigenen Aufschlag.
Oh Gott. Und Luka Mladenovic holt das tatsächlich.
Gratulation, wow.
11:9. Ja. Stark gespielt.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.